designed for the 7 seas, dedicated to the 6 senses. Sealine C530, the sporty cabriolet for the sea. 16 meters long, about 5 meters wide. 3 lavishly fitted double cabins. 2 luxurious outdoor living spaces. Panoramic views beyond compare. This fabulous cruiser brings you closer to the elements of nature than you ever were before. The elegantly sweeping roof spans the largest panoramic windows in the 50-foot class at 5.8 meters. Portholes featuring a polygonal shape enrich the ensemble of modern forms and clear lines to guarantee a phenomenal view, even when you're under deck. To make sure you can celebrate clean air living, Sealine places great importance on highly convertible designs. The luxurious lounge at the bow offers a completely unencumbered space. A fabulous area for either relaxing or dining. Just you, the sea, the sun, and the sky. Fold down the backrest of the stern bench to create a relaxing area at the cockpit table. At the touch of a button, the table lowers, and both surfaces combine to form a large sunbathing area. Or if you prefer a bit of shade, just close the electric sunroof. You can easily open it again for some sunbathing later. The bathing platform of the C530 invites you to take a refreshing dip in the sea. The built-in steps unfold as the platform is lowered, providing safe and comfortable access to the water when the platform is below the surface. The galley, located between the saloon and the cockpit, enables comfortable service of both areas. With a large fridge and freezer, electric hob, and a microwave with grill function. And there's even a cleverly hidden TV. For more individual fittings, you will find plenty of additional space. A spectacular touch to the saloon is the Helm Console with its gleaming chrome fittings. But even this is upstaged by the unforgettable view through the one-piece windscreen. Let your guests enjoy the grand 360-degree panoramic view, and whatever the occasion, the right drinks await you, perfectly cooled in the standalone wine cooler directly behind the helm. The starboard sliding door enables instant access from the helm to the sidewalk and bow. And the joy of driving can be shared thanks to twin pilot seats. The Sealine C530, powered by Volvo IPS engines providing maximum speeds of either 26 or 34 knots, provides ample agility and sense of freedom. A generous interior with outstanding design and features awaits everyone below deck. The VIP cabin at the bow welcomes its guests with 3 sources of daylight and a queen-size island bed. The owner's suite, with its 1.6 meter wide and 2 meter long king-size bed, truly reflects the grandeur of this motor yacht. 2 elongated hull windows at sea level lighten up the master cabin's interior with ample natural light. Your ensuite shower room with high-grade fittings is a highlight in itself. On the port side, there is an optional beautiful vanity table with a fold-out mirror. The intuitive joystick control allows you to confidently maneuver the yacht even in the tightest of spaces and control every move in all directions. countless ways to style the interior of your yacht. No matter what materials you choose, the quality will always be first class. Carefully selected fabrics, exquisite floorings, and a wide range of colors will create your unique space. Feel the space. Enjoy the light. Experience outstanding design coupled with German engineering. Sealine C530, the sporty cabriolet for the sea.